We've spent more than 20 years looking at how people successfully transition between different jobs and move ahead in their career. Across all our research and in hundreds of interviews, we've continued to hear the same thing. Whether you're moving into a new organization, shifting roles, being promoted, or taking on new responsibilities, transitions create a set of demands that can't be met by individual experience or expertise alone. You need help that can only come by supplementing your capabilities in different ways through networks of other people. We've studied the people who do this well, who ask what kind of network they need and then leverage their interactions for both short-term and long-term success. We took what we learned and used it to create this toolkit organized around 3 categories: initiate, engage, and refine. First is initiate. How can you jumpstart productivity and inclusion by cultivating essential connections broadly and before you need help from others? Second is engage. What should the nature of these interactions look like? How can you energize people in your network and pull colleagues to you and your ideas? And finally is refine. How should you recalibrate your networks and collaborative practices to stay effective in the long term and ensure your own well-being? Within each of these categories, you'll find 4 lessons to help you apply the research and assess how you're doing. Under Initiate, for example, you'll find lessons to help you surge early with strategies for proactive outreach, seek out connections which can supplement gaps you may have, identify and build relationships with network opinion leaders, and rely on select advisors and confidence for feedback and support. To help you engage, you'll find lessons covering how to position your expertise to contribute to others' goals, how to simultaneously build your network and cultivate your reputation through early accomplishments, how to co-create mutual wins early, and how to rapidly establish 3 forms of trust. And under Refine, you'll learn how to refresh your network for long-term performance and growth, how to craft your role and create network connections that help you to thrive, how to manage collaborative overload, and how to avoid some common career-derailing network traps. I hope you'll spend time reviewing each of these lessons and considering which specific tools you can use. After all, leveraging your network is one of the most important actions you can take to help you make a successful transition, maintain a high level of performance, and get what you want out of your career. Take advantage of this toolkit to select the lessons that are most relevant for you and where you're going with your career.